Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating strings, and today we will learn about one of the very important feature of string manipulation. It's called charAt. The idea behind charAt is to find what character is present at a given position number. This is exactly opposite of what we learned in the past, where we wanted to find a string and find the index of that string. We wanted to find the position number of that given string using index of. And in this case is exactly opposite. We will give the position number and we'll find out what character is at that position. In order to do that, again, you take your string and all you have to do is, assuming that your string is CodeMode.us. In this case, I want to find what is that fifth character. The character counting starts with 0. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And fifth position is O, the second O, right? And as you will notice it, that if I use a equal to double quote code mode dot us and I say a dot char stands for character, and at capital A, again Java always keeps the function name in camel case, and then I pass 5. This will return me a character. Now the only difference is when in Java, when you declare a character, it is little bit different than a string. A string is a set of characters, whereas a simple character, one character is just one character. And that's why you don't put it under double quotes, you put it under single quote. If I use since this will return a character, I'll declare this as char, and let's say x equal to, let me remove this and say, actually wrote it. So if I say, let's say string x equal to double quote code mode dot us, and then if I say x dot char at and fifth character, this will return me a character, and I'll use the character data type called char, and I'll say char y equal to this. Now this y is going to be actually single quote letter O. The character y is, since single character, you always put under single quotes, as simple as that. If I say char z equal to letter A, I'll say A. But remember, you can have only one character and it will always be under single quote. So character, the char data type takes only one character, it is always under single quote. If you have more than one character, it becomes a string, it goes under double quotes. That's all for now. I'll see you guys again in the next class. Please practice, because practice is the only way to learn coding.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.